Welcome back, guys. Do you remember my fillable letter tray? I used it to make this charcuterie board. I'm going to show you another way to use it today. So I'm going to be using it for a Mother's Day gift idea. So here I have some flowers, I have some Ferrero Rochers, and my fillable letter tray, the letter K. I have some shredded paper, and I have a bottle of red wine. I'm going to be using this piece of tissue paper to line the area that I will put the floral foam, because it does get messy sometimes and I want to keep my box clean so I can reuse it. So I'm going to line it and then I'm going to add the floral foam. Now I've used this foam before, but it will still get the job done. Now if you are going to be using real flowers, make sure to soak your floral foam first, and then you can wrap it in some plastic wrap just to secure the moisture and also prevent your box or container from getting wet. I'm going to be adding the shredded paper to cover the inside of the box and to also give it a little bit of height. And just so you know, guys, if you didn't see my fillable letter charcuterie board video, I'll put the link in the description box. I'm only going to be using the flower heads, but if you need a little bit more height, you can always cut and use a little bit of the flower stem. I'm also going to be using a little bit of the leaves just to give a little bit of color. So I'm going to start by adding my flowers to the floral foam. And remember, guys, that you can always rearrange your florals just to get a better balance if you're using different colors and different sizes. Now I'm going to be adding my wine bottle in the longest section of the K, and then I'm going to be adding my Ferrero Rochers to the remaining section. For this type of arrangement, guys, you can always use a regular gift box or a basket. I'm just using this fillable letter tray because I already had it in my possession and I wanted to show how I reuse it. I have this cute Mother's Day topper that I will be adding as a final touch, and I will also be adding a little bow to my wine bottle. I think this turned out really well, guys, and it's a really cute DIY. You can now wrap this in some cellophane and it will make the perfect gift. Let me know what you think, and if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so, and I will see you in the next video.